Hello everyone, we're grateful to have you with us again today. My name is Robert with Tampa Bay Auto Network. Walking around a 2022 Tesla Model Y dual motor with you. If you're on our YouTube page, please don't forget to like and subscribe and comment below what you think of our Model Y. Also, don't forget to smash the bell so you'll get notified about new inventory and new walkarounds as they happen. We do this to be transparent, to show you the things that will not show up in our 100 high-definition photos that are located on our website. If you want to see those and everything else we offer, please visit TampaBayAutoNetwork.com. Thank you very much. Let's get to the walk-around. Okay, everybody, we're going to go ahead and walk around this real quick. There's not a whole lot to show you. Brand new tires. No chips, no scratches, no marks. That's because it has 1,400 miles on it. It's less than a year old. So as you can imagine, it's in perfect condition. But we like to do these walk-arounds just to let you see it for yourself. As you can see, glass roof, what little roof there is also in like new condition. Pretty much because it's like new. Let's look at the interior, shall we? Alright, if you've watched our videos, it's what you can't see in the photos, which in our case is this side of the visors and a headliner, which this car doesn't really have one. But what is there is like new. And the top of the dash, which of course is like new because the vehicle is new practically. But if you have any questions about condition or financing options or shipping arrangements, please call the number located at the top of your screen and hopefully join us next time for another walk around. Thanks again.